Today in front of me Poco X4 Pro, and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with the our device help. So first we should open the notification panel, and here you should find the scanner icon. Just click here on this icon, read the description here and click to agree. Now just click here to allow again, and here place the code inside this our frame. So now we'll just do that. Wait a second, and as can you see here we got our result. We just can see the link of this QR code here, and we can click here to go to website directly. Just I'll click here, yes, I agree. And as can you see, the result is the Wikipedia's link, and we can see that here. So that's it, that's how to scan QR codes with the help of Poco X4 Pro. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.